नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, वायसी एज्युकेशन महाराष्ट्र चॅनलमध्ये आपले सहर्ष स्वागत आहे। आज आपण द्वितीय सत्र परीक्षा 2024 सेकंड सेमिस्टर सब्जेक्ट सामान्य विज्ञान माध्यम सेमी प्रश्नपत्रिका पाहणार आहोत। ही प्रश्नपत्रिका एकूण लेखी 40 गुण आणि तोंडी 10 गुणांसाठी असणार आहे। तर आपण प्रश्नपत्रिका पाहूया। प्रश्न क्रमांक 1, write the answer, marks 5. A value for the letter has to be found that will make the equation balance. Such a letter is called dash. Second, dash can be used to make the denominator 100. Third, loss is equal to price minus price. Loss चा फॉर्म्युला लिहायचा आहे। Question number 2, A. Solve the following equation, marks 4. A minus 4 is equal to 8. Second, x plus 3 is equal to 7. Question number 2, B. Rewrite the following using a letter, marks 4. The sum of certain number and 3. Second, 4 times a number is 24. आता आपण यांचे आन्सर पाहूया। फर्स्ट, फिलिंग द ब्लँक्स, व्हेरिएबल. सेकंड, परसेंटेज. थर्ड, कॉस्ट प्राइस माइनस सेलिंग प्राइस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, a is equal to 12, x is equal to 4, b x plus 3, 4x is equal to 24. पुढील प्रश्न, सॉल्व द फॉलोइंग एक्झाम्पल, मार्क्स 4. निखिल brought 12 guavas and 16 chickus. Find the ratio of guavas to chickus. Second, Rima has 24 notebooks and 18 books. Find the ratio of notebooks to books. Question number 3, A. Pramod bought 100 bunches of methi greens for 400. In a sudden downpour, 30 of the bunches on his handcart got spoilt. He sold the rest at the rate of 5 each. Did he make a profit or loss? How much? Marks 3. Question number 3b. The length of the sides of some triangles are given. Say what types of triangle they are. Marks 6. 4.3 cm, 4.3 cm, 4.3 cm. Second, 3.7 cm, 3.4 cm, 4 cm. Third, 9 cm, 6 cm. पुढील प्रश्न, in the elections 1800 of the 1200 women in a Jambulgaon cast their vote, while 1360 of the 1700 in Vadgaon cast their. In which village did a greater proportion of women cast their votes? Marks 3. Question number 4, solve the following example, marks 6. Vinita deposited 15,000 in a bank for 1 year at an interest rate of 7% per year. How much interest will she get at the end of the year? Second, draw a line AB using a compass. Draw a line perpendicular to AB at the point B. Third, Shabana scored 360 marks out of 800 in her exams. What was the percentage she scored? हा क्वेश्चन पेपर फक्त सरावासाठी आहे। यातील भरपूर क्वेश्चन परीक्षेसाठी 100% येतील। सर्व प्रश्नांची तयारी करावी। पुढील प्रश्न, बी. In an orchard there are 128 mango trees in 8 rows. If all the rows have an equal number of trees, how many trees would there be in 13 rows? Marks 2. Question number 5, A. Find the ratio of the first quantity to second quantity. Marks 3. First, 25 beads, 40 beads. Second, 40 rupees, 120 rupees. Third, 15 minutes, 1 hours. B. Find out which operation must be done on both sides of this equation in order to solve them. X plus 9 is equal to 11. धन्यवाद। जर तुम्हाला हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर प्लीज लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि आपल्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा।